In 2025, several automakers are offering models with the GL trim, each featuring distinct specifications and features. Below are detailed overviews of some notable GL models. 1. Toyota Corolla GLI 2025. The Toyota Corolla GLI 2025 is a highly anticipated model in Pakistan, known for its blend of style, comfort, and reliability. Engine and performance. Engine: 1.8 L, 4-cylinder petrol engine. Power: 138 horsepower. Fuel efficiency: approximately 12 to 14 km/h. Transmission: automatic. Interior features: premium seats, advanced infotainment system, spacious cabin. Safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, multiple airbags. Expected release date in Pakistan, mid-2025. Estimated price: 4.5 million Pakistani rupees to 5.2 million Pakistani rupees. Source: Car Junoon. 2. Geely Preface 2025 GL. The Geely Preface 2025 GL is a midsize sedan that combines performance with modern features. Engine and performance. Engine: 2.0 L turbocharged inline 4-cylinder. Power: 215 horsepower. Torque: 325 Nm. Transmission: 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Acceleration: 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 6.9 seconds. Fuel consumption: 6.79 L 100 km. Interior features: 13.2-inch HD touchscreen display, 10.2-inch LCD instrument cluster, wireless charging, 8-speaker audio system. Safety features: 540-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. Price in Saudi Arabia: 89,585 Saudi riyals. Source: Autopedia ME. 3. Suzuki Swift GL CVT 2025. The Suzuki Swift GL CVT 2025 is a compact hatchback known for its efficiency and urban-friendly design. Engine and performance. Engine: 1.2 L petrol engine. Power: 82 horsepower at 6,000 rpm. Torque: 113 Nm. Transmission: continuously variable transmission (CVT). Fuel efficiency: approximately 14 km/h. Interior features: automatic climate control, power windows front and rear, advanced infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Safety features: dual airbags driver and passenger, anti-lock braking system ABS with electronic brake force distribution EBD. Rear parking sensors. Estimated price in Pakistan: 4,560,000 Pakistani rupees. Source: Hamari Web Autos. 4. Suzuki Baleno GL 2025. The Suzuki Baleno GL 2025 offers a spacious interior and efficient performance in a hatchback design. Engine and performance. Engine: 1.5 L inline 4 petrol engine. Power: 103 horsepower. Torque: 138 Nm. Transmission: 4-speed automatic. Fuel efficiency: 18.5 km/h. Interior features: fabric upholstery, seating capacity for 5 passengers, standard infotainment system. Safety features: dual airbags, anti-lock braking system ABS, cruise control. Price in the UAE: 51,900 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Source: CarPrices.ae. 5. Suzuki Dzire GL 2025. The Suzuki Dzire GL 2025 is a compact sedan that offers practicality and comfort. Engine and performance. Engine: 1.2 L petrol engine. Power: 61 horsepower at 6,000 rpm. Torque: 113 Nm at 4,200 rpm. Transmission: 5-speed automated manual transmission AMT. Interior features: automatic climate control, power windows front and rear, keyless entry. Safety features: dual airbags,